Welcome to Deb's Villa Cucina. It's been a while, but I found a really great recipe I wanted to share with you. It's roasted butternut squash with coconut milk. So you've already seen a couple of photos, where I set everything up on this foil tray. And I wanted to show you what I did with the garlic. I cut it in half and then we roasted it in that tin foil. And now it's like roasted garlic, and you can see how it comes out so easily. And then also, add the leek, the garlic that was roasted, as well as the onions. And then very slowly, oh, by the way, I took the flesh out of the butternut squash. So that's also in there, you can see that. And then what we're gonna simply do is cup by cup, add some liquid, and we'll turn on the blender and we're gonna create the soup. So what I didn't mention is this is 4 cups of chicken broth. And we'll get that mixed up, and we're getting ready to add the coconut milk. It's a cup of coconut milk. And I actually like coconut cream only because it just makes it richer. And a teaspoon of curry. I like Penzeys curry. All curries are a little bit different, have a little bit taste. What you want to know though is sometimes they have a little bit more heat. This one that we do does not. If you want to add some cayenne pepper, you can do that as well. Now, I'm not going to do it right now, but blend it thoroughly because there's fibers to the leek and fibers to the ginger, and you end up with a fibrous soup, which is really good. Then you're just going to put it in a pan and cook it for about 15 minutes, heat it up, and it's delicious. I hope you do try this.